Hey guys, so what have I been doing? Well, I've been on holiday for quite a bit, and then I revisited printing again. So what have I done? Well, you can probably see the build quality on this is getting better and better. So um, I've had to replace the printer head because temperature was starting to wander, and the extruder mechanism on my Creality, and this is a result. Very, very clean prints, as you can see. Really super silky. This is super silky blue, but literally zero artifacts or blemishes or bubbling or anything. And I've also been using infill rather than two wall thickness. This one's got a TPU bush, um, both on the inside and the outside. This is Sergey's jet boat. We've had a lot of problems trying to get this watertight, but I think we've got it under control now. It all comes down to your quality of PLA, your temperature, your speed, other factors. But I'm quite pleased the way this has come out. So this is a single wall with 5% infill, and it's about 154 grams, and it's very strong and light. These bits are similar kind of PLA, silky one, and these bits are printed out in ABS, and I put a TPU bush in there as well because that acts as a bearing for the shaft. That's an ABS propeller, jet nozzle, and arm that controls the nozzle, and then this is the same bracket, engine mount bracket, which is 5% infill on the blue again, and it's come out very strong, and as you see the holes are very accurate. So this is probably three or four prints I've done of this boat now. Problems with PLA is it is very porous, and you have to really understand your printing. Apart from that, not doing too much on the printing front, apart from just learning the ropes again. Every so often I think you just have to go through a refresher, especially when you're approaching problems like boats, because it's not like an airplane. If it leaks air, it's not a problem. With a boat, it's a big problem, especially around here. You've got to have a snug fit here on this TPU bush, not too snug that it creates resistance, too much resistance. Obviously, you pack this out with grease through this hole here. But having two TPU bushes either side just means there's no water going to come through. On the previous builds, I think this duct was leaking from the inside, because getting a lot of water coming in, and it had to be pressurizing back through here, because this just does generate a lot of power, and the back pressure that builds up in this tube effectively will easily flow back into here. So apart from that, yeah, just been finishing off some planes, and yeah, getting back into the swing of things, getting back to work again. Anyway, catch you all later.